Hello everyone. First of all, thanks for joining. So we will start our discussion now. And as per the discussion, today we will be focused on the ACB, Anypoint Code Builder. Okay, like what I have covered in last two class. So first we will start with ACB, and then we'll do some demo on that. Like we'll create YAML file, then we will create the development like mule project without YAML, and then we'll create another project using YAML file, and we will scaffold the application, and then we will do rest of the development there. So all those things will be covered in today class, and it will go around 2.5 hours. Okay, in between we will have one break, but let's start our today topic today. First, we will start with Anypoint Code Builder. So today, like our objective will be understand the ACB and how it's different from the Anypoint Studio. Then we will see we will set up the desktop ID, and like we will use the VS Code and Anypoint extension pack. After that, we will log in with Anypoint platform. Okay. And then next, we will create and design, we will create and design an API specification following the design first approach. And then we will develop, build, run, and debug our mule application. Okay. At the end, I will show you Cloud ID also. For Anypoint Code Builder, we have both desktop and cloud version. We will be more focused on the desktop version, but I will show you cloud version also. Now coming to this Anypoint Code Builder compared to Anypoint Studio, this base platform for Anypoint Code Builder is VS Code. So you people need to install the VS Code. And then coming to UI UX side, it's very modern and lightweighted. Okay. And for API design side, you can in Anypoint Studio, you cannot create the YAML file and all. But here you can create the YAML, you can mock the YAML for testing purpose. All those capabilities are there. Here we have both cloud and desktop version. And we will do everything in VS Code ecosystem. So here additional plugin will be there for vibe coding. And we will have GitHub plugin and all. And the main objective of learning this Anypoint Code Builder is going forward, we will work on the vibe coding, and in Anypoint Studio, we don't have that capability or extension. So if you want to do vibe coding in MuleSoft, then you must need to use this ACB platform. On the architecture and component side, there will be developer on local machine, and then within the VS Code, we need to install the ACB by using the Anypoint extension pack. And then we can connect our ACB with Anypoint platform. So core component, we will have VS Code, Anypoint extension pack, Java and Maven. And then we will have Anypoint platform account. For Anypoint platform account, I will ask everyone to create new account today so that you will be able to use that same account for next 1 month. Okay. And we will do lots of activity and POC. So it's good to have your Anypoint platform newly created. So your runtime will be valid for next 30 days. Then we will use the Mule runtime engine, and then Git and source control, all those things we will see. So prerequisite side, first, you should have the VS Code, Java, Maven, Git, Anypoint platform. And coming to hardware side, you need to have the 16 GB RAM. If you have i5 with 8 GB, that is fine. It will work perfectly. But if you have i7 with 16 GB RAM, that will be perfect fit for this. Okay. But i5 and 8 GB is good enough. Now we will see the installation part. Okay. So how we will install this ACB in our system. So for that, what you need to do, I'm sending you one link. So you people need to download the VS Code from there. So this is the link for VS Code and another link I'm sharing for Node.js. So I have shared two links here, one for VS Code and another one for Node.js. Okay, so if you will click on this VS Code, then here you will able to see for Windows system, if you want to use for MacBook, then you need to use this one. Okay, once you will click on this, it will download the exe file and that you need to install in your system. And once it will successfully install, then if you will search the Visual Studio Code here in your search bar, you will able to see this particular option, Visual Studio Code. Open this. And after that, you will get platform something like this. Okay. So what everyone need to do, I shared two links. One is for VS Code, another one for Node.js in our Zoom chat. So using that link, download the VS Code and Node.js. And once you are done, please reply with yes in chat. Then I will guide for next step. Okay, and one more thing you need to do. So first you need to do the VS Code. Second one is Node.js. Second one is Node.js. And third one, you need to do Anypoint platform. So you need to create new account for Anypoint platform. Okay. I shared all this link. For two, first and second, you need to install that application. And for third one, you need to create the account. And once you are done with that, let me know in the chat.
Ravi, just want to check. Node.js is it mandatory? And why do we use Node.js here?
Okay, so there will be many extension in Anypoint extension pack, around 8 extension we are doing. Okay, so some of them like need some library and things from the Node.js. Okay, so if you will not install, then in between, like when you will start doing the development and all, you will see multiple errors. Okay, and it will ask you to install Node.js to fix that one.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Oh, I am done.
Yeah, once you people will complete this, please reply with yes or done in chat.
Thank you, Don.
LM, you need all this on WhatsApp will be difficult since like you can copy paste from here like Zoom only. So Prasad and Manoj completed.
I am using two computers, that's why. Okay.
You can copy paste from one computer to another. Okay, Prasad, Manoj, and Avinash completed. If people have this setup already, still reply with done, so I will get idea how many of you have completed. Okay, so out of 8, I can see 4 people have completed this.
The Node.js, should it be standalone binary zip
Sorry, say again.
for the Node.js? Windows installer or standalone binary zip? Because there are two options.
Okay, let me see. So here, Node.js will download option. Which will download link there. Yeah, you can download for Windows or like whatever system you have.
Yeah, but there are two if you say,
Or
yeah,
Windows installer, or yeah, go with Windows.
Windows installer? Okay,
Yes.
okay, thank you. I have a question again, and then it just says automatically install the necessary tools too. Should I click that one?
Say again.
It says automatically install the necessary tools. So should I just
Yes. Yes, do it.
okay?
Okay, so next what we need to do, once you are done with this, then open this VS Code, and here you can see this icon, okay, extension icon. Click on this extension icon and search for Anypoint extension pack, okay, and click on this. In my case, I have already installed it, so it's getting uninstall, but in your case, you will get installed, okay. So click on this install option, and then it will install 8 extension for you, okay. So let it install. So I'm sending this. You need to search inside VS Code, go to extension, and within extension, search for this. You will get first option, and then click on install here. Okay. Once you are done with this, okay, after that, you will able to see 2 icon here. One is for Anypoint Code Builder, and another one for this MuleSoft Y. So this 2 icon you will able to see in your system. Once you can see this 2 icon in your system, please reply with done in chat.
Can you repeat one more time?
Sorry, say again.
Can you just repeat it one more time? The one that you showed on the base
So
code?
here you can see Anypoint like this extension. Once you will install, once you will open your V, so go to extension and search for Anypoint extension pack, and then you will get this first option. Click on this, and here you will get install option. Click on that. After that, you should able to see these 2 icon in your system in your VS Code.
Create any point extension. I don't see any point extension on that.
Have you searched for Anypoint extension pack here?
Yeah. Endpoint. Okay, I get it. Thank you. And install?
Yes, install option. In my case, it's coming uninstall, but in your case, you will get install.
Okay.
So in VS Code, it is asking login. Is that required to login or not required? There is a top asking login. Login side is there. For you,
Where?
it is not showing.
No, okay.
But
Till this point, do
maybe
this
that.
this place only. Like just if you can see these 2 icon, just wait here. I will guide for next step.
Okay.
And once you are done, please reply with done in chat, so I will get idea how many of you have completed. I can see 3 people have completed. Others, once you are done, please reply with done in chat. What about other, like, are you facing any problem?
Yeah, it's done for me. Yeah.
Okay, so next what we need to do, at the bottom right corner, okay, you can, like in my screen, you can see it's already logged in, okay, but in your case, you will get option like sign in to Anypoint platform. So click on that, then you will able to see one pop-up, okay. There you will click on open, and then it will redirect you to the browser, okay. And after that, you need to provide your Anypoint platform username, password, okay. Once it's done, you will come back to, like, there you will get verify things, okay, like automatically it will be verified. And after that, once you will come back, you will able to see Anypoint platform username here, okay. So please do that step, and once you will complete this, please reply with done in chat. Okay, so here you need to click on Anypoint platform login option. You will get one pop-up. Open that, go to browser, give your Anypoint platform credential, and then come back to this page. You will able to see your username here. If it is completed, please reply with done in chat.
Yeah, that is done already for me. There is a VS code in the top. It is asking sign in. Is this because of VS code or what?
Just ignore that. Like other things, just ignore it.
Okay.
Whatever we need for our Anypoint platform account and like any for MuleSoft development, we will do all those steps.
No. Thank you.
I didn't sign up for Endpoint platform because I have many accounts, so it didn't allow me immediately to have one.
Just now I mentioned like you need to create new account right now and use that account.
Yeah.
I got to know that is GitHub Copilot login.
You can see only 2 people has completed this. Others, please reply with yes if you have done.
I just completed signing up for Endpoint platform, creating account for Endpoint platform. I just would be happy if you can repeat this step.
Okay. So here you can see like on at bottom, you will get one option, log into Endpoint platform. Click on that. You will get one
No,
pop-up.
I didn't see. What should I do to get the below
Share your screen.
window?
Yes, share your screen.
Okay. Oh, I cannot share because I am using another computer.
It will be difficult. Like you need to join with one computer, so and then join with Zoom application. Sometime I need to take control. Have you installed the Anypoint extension pack?
Yes.
Okay. After that, at the bottom, you should get one option: log into Anypoint platform. You are not getting that option.
No, endpoint code builder. It says sign in at the top,
No, at the
Yeah.
bottom right corner.
right corner.
Bottom right corner.
No, I don't see.
Okay. What I will suggest, try to join with one laptop and make sure you can share your screen and also I will able to guide you.
Mhm.
Okay. So once you will be ready, let me know. Meanwhile, I'm proceeding for next step.
Okay.
Okay. For others, you people have completed. Let me see how many of you have completed. So I can see 3 people have completed. What about others?
Recording in progress.
Okay, fine. So we'll go for next step now. Now we have this like Anypoint platform login here. So what next we will do? We will go to Anypoint platform, this ACB option, and here you can see design an API option. So click on this design on API option. Then here you can see we have option like create fragment, create API specification. So we have all this kind of option. So here we will select API specification since we want to create the YAML file. Now here we will give YAML name like something like demo XP API. Okay. And then API type will be REST API and specification will be YAML 1.0. And here in business group, once you are logged in, you will able to see your own business group, select that one. Okay. And after that, click on create project option.
Ravi, is business group mandatory?
Better to provide this since this will be linked with your
Okay, while signing up, I just put my company name, and in the business group, it is showing that.
you can
I
change.
don't know.
You can
Sorry?
change that one. Yeah, you can change that one. Like if you will go to like your Anypoint platform account, there you can change your
Mm-hmm.
organization detail, and after that it will change.
Okay.
Anyhow, like it will be in your personal system only. Let it be. That will not create any problem.
Okay, so
You are using
it is
your
still okay.
company account. You mean to say you are using your company
No,
account?
no, I just signed up now. Like it asked the company
Okay,
name, I
so
just
that should
give
be
my
fine.
company.
It should be fine. You use that one. I think it will not create any impact for your account or any.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. After that, you will get one option here. Yes, I trust the author. Select that one. Okay. And here you will able to see demo XP API exchange and other thing. So click on this demo XP API YAML, and then here we will put like something employee, and then you can see here we are getting suggestion. Okay, for this employee resource we are getting the suggestion like so we are getting the suggestion. I can either you can accept the suggestion or you can write your own. So let me accept this suggestion first. Okay. And then you need to figure out if there is any problem. So I can see something is not wrong. Indentation is not good. So employee get description response 200 body application JSON example. Okay. So either you can do it by yourself. Just if you are doing by yourself, just put resource name and method name. That should be fine. So here our intention is to learn how we can do all those capability in ACB. You people already know how to create the RAML file. Okay. That's why we will not be more focused on learning RAML and all. We will be more focused how to create RAML and perform rest of the operation with the help of ACB. Okay. So everyone, please reply with yes or done in chat if you have completed till this RAML definition in your ACD. You created the application for RAML, and within that you have created the one resource. If you are created with RAML like resource and just method name, that is also fine. LM, I'm not sure like what you are trying to do. Just focus on this class. Anyhow, I am doing the recording. You are also trying to record. Okay, so that will not make sense and you are wasting your time there. So focused on this class and learn the process. I already
Okay,
started the
I can
recording.
share now. I can share. I changed it to the computer. I can share if you want, if you have
So
time.
you are focusing on multiple things and you are lacking here. So share your screen and I will help you.
Okay.
Yeah, I already started recording and I will provide you after this class.
Okay. Here is where I am.
Okay, so yeah, you have this extension pack. Now in left hand side, you can see ACB like mule icon. Click on that mule icon.
You like here?
Okay,
You mean the first
let
one?
me control your system.
Oh, here.
Yes.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, click on that. Okay, I cannot see bottom of your screen. It is something from. Let me try to.
Do you want me to approve the?
No.
Okay.
I cannot see the bottom entire.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Let
Okay,
me.
1 minute, 1 minute. Now I can see. Wait a minute. Something.
Okay.
Oh, still not sure. Is it full screen or something? I cannot see your full screen.
I made it full screen.
Okay, now you can see at the bottom, not logged in to any point platform. So click on that option.
Oh.
Bottom right corner. Bottom right corner. Okay, let me control your system.
Okay. Oh, not logged in. Okay, now I see. Yeah. Okay, approve.
Okay, click on allow. Open. It should redirect to other page. I'm not sure. You haven't shared your full screen. Have you redirected to your
Yeah,
browser?
I cannot open the. Hmm. Okay, go ahead because I cannot open it. Just let me stop my sharing screen.
Okay. So ideally, once you will click on that, it will redirect to your browser. Okay, on browser, you need to provide your endpoint platform account. Like you need to log in with your endpoint platform account.
Yeah, because I had many accounts, I'm not sure which should I use. That's why.
Okay. Let me know if you need any kind of help, then you need to share your full screen. I can help you. Okay. And otherwise, try by yourself and let me know if you are facing any problem. Okay. So far I can see Avinash has completed the RAML. What about others?
Ravi, can you share the RAML sample, whatever you created?
You want that code?
Yeah.
Okay. You can just do resource name and method name. That should be fine. But yeah, if you want mine one, I'm saying. I shared in chat.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so I can see two people have completed. Others, please do it and let me know once you are done. Here we are learning all these things, not to learn the RAML, how to create, like what is RAML and all. We are learning the process, how to do all these things in ACB. Since you people already know the MuleSoft, but you people know like on Design Center and then Anypoint Studio. So here we are learning how to do all these things, everything on this ACB. And why we need this? Since all the AI related capability is enabled with ACB, you cannot do those AI related things on Studio.
Ravi, I just have one question. Like you said, we can change the business groups later, right? So, if it is quick, can you just tell me how I can change that option?
Oh, sorry, which option? Say again.
Changing the business group.
Okay. Let me log into my Anypoint platform account. Okay, so here go to edit business group. That. Okay, it's saying child group. Okay, let me
Yeah,
quickly say
it's
if
not.
I can rename. Yeah, so here you can rename it.
But if it is showing my company name, I don't think I will have that option, right?
No, why you can? I can put anything.
Oh, okay. Let me try. So, when we change the name of the business group, we should be changing the organization domain also, right? Will it make any difference if I have the same, the company's one?
I don't think this is just a demo account and things. It will not create much impact. Just put any name. No?
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay. So if you people are done till this point, please. So I can see 3 people have completed this. What about others? Everyone, please reply with done if you have completed. Bhargav, are you doing this? Ayappa, Bhargav. Okay, so not sure why. Ayappa and Bhargav, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there, Ravi. I'm not at started yet.
Sorry,
I
sorry.
didn't get a chance. Yeah, I'm there, Ravi. I'm Ayappa. I'm there.
Okay, you are not doing the like things in setup and all.
Yeah, I'm not at started doing all these things, Ravi. I'll start by today.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
I
I
fine.
have
created the.
I
Okay, sorry.
installed Visual Studio and all those things, but I'm not at started installing ACB and all.
Okay, do it later and let me know if you have any doubt. Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
Fami, you are saying anything?
Yeah, I created the business group, but I didn't do the RAML. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah, please do it. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Just put resource and method name. That should be fine.
Okay.
So Fami, it's done or still you are working?
It's not working. It's not opening the endpoint platform from
So you are unable to log in also?
No, I logged in and I just created the business group only. But I would like to go to the RAML directly from the VS Code. Just let me show you how it's showing.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay. You see, just freezed.
No. Go to your VS endpoint code builder. Open your ACB.
Oh.
I cannot see your ACB.
Oh, can I open that?
I cannot
This
see
is
your endpoint code builder.
from here, from the VS Code?
Yes, I need
Oh.
to see your VS code and endpoint code builder, what you did there.
Maybe I missed that one. This one? Endpoint point builder pay
I
extension.
think you have shared only one screen. You haven't shared your full screen, it looks like.
Oh, okay. Should I open this one?
Yes, so here, still I can't see the screen. Yeah, now you are logged in with your Anypoint platform account. So you need to click on Design an API.
What is that?
Let me control your system.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
You need to give here name of the YAML file. Just give any name.
Great.
Yes. Wait. You selected OS. You should create YAML. You need to do it again. You already started the process.
Let me see.
Okay, what it's saying, exercise or already in use. Put some other name. Yeah, after that, just click on create project. It will create, so you can stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone, now follow my screen. We have this YAML and I want to mock this YAML and I want to see. So here you will get option like this option. You need to click on this and then you will get employee get, click on this. And then we have here try it option. Once you will click on try it, you will get the mock URL, click on send and you will get the response. Okay, so in this way, you can mock your API and you can do testing like this YAML testing. Now, after that, you can see publish an API option. So click on this and then it will ask you some detail about the asset version and API version. Okay, so here asset version and API version is there. So I will put both. And then we'll click on publish option. Okay. So everyone do same in your system. So once you will click on publish, it will publish to Exchange. It will take few seconds to publish on Exchange.
Ravi, what all details you entered? I think you went too fast. Asset version and
API version.
okay.
Ravi, just a question. API version can be anything, or it should be 1.0.0?
Start with 1.0.0.
Okay.
Okay. So once you will get like published, so you need to go to your endpoint platform and go to Exchange. You should able to see your RAML file there. So just now I created demo XP API. So that RAML is here. API specification is here, and then I can see employee get resource. So if you people are done till this point, please reply with done in chat. Okay, it looks like published done already for a few people. Okay, I think most of you have done the publish. So once you will publish your RAML on Exchange, okay, one thing you will observe here, if I will go to Design Center, I cannot see this RAML. Okay, so this is a bit different from our traditional approach where we were creating RAML on Design Center and then publishing on Exchange. Now you will create RAML as a project in your ACB. You will store, like you will commit it into repository. And if anyone else in your team want to contribute, they will take that from repository and they will modify it in ACB. Okay. But if you will click on this view code option, you will able to see the RAML code. Okay. You will not able to modify here. You will able to see inside the design center, but you can see here, this is read only mode only. You cannot modify this RAML. Okay.
So how can we modify if we would like to update the RAML?
Yeah. For that, again, you need to come to ACB and you need to do the required modification and you need to publish it again. Okay. Let's say I will add one customer resource. Okay. So once I will add the resource, I need to again publish it, and then that change will be reflected into endpoint in Exchange.
So other people in the team will take from the Exchange only, or do we put anywhere this code in the Git?
So this is now application. So you need to commit this into your repo, like GitHub repository and all.
But it is there in Exchange also, right? Why can't people take from the Exchange?
Yeah, they can take, but Exchange we cannot modify the YAML, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, if they want to modify, they need to add new resource, new method, then how they will do it? So you will commit this
They,
YAML into repo, and from there they will clone it and they will do the modification and they will publish it again.
okay.
Okay, so now we are good with the YAML. Now we will see how we can create one mule application from scratch in ACB. So here you can see we have option develop, implement an API, and we have option develop an integration. So first we will go for develop and integration. So here it will not ask for YAML or anything. It will create a scratch application. So I will give name as a demo 01 app v1 empty project mule runtime. I will take latest Java 17. Either you can create this into workspace or you can create as a standalone project. If you will uncheck this, it will be created as a standalone project. Okay. So I will click on create project. Okay. Then click on yes, I trust the author. And here click on this mule artifact. Oh, sorry. SRC main mule. And you can see here we have global config, demo app, and then we have artifact, form file, all these things we have. At this moment, I don't need this, so I will delete it. I will do everything within the demo app.xml. Okay. So let it load.
What file did you delete? Configuration file?
Yes, yes. Okay. Now here, uh, like inside demo app v1, I will select build a flow. Like we will select the start from scratch and we will select build a flow.
I'm getting a option asking if you want to install Java extension. Should I install or
If
it's
Java is
not required?
already there, then let it be.
It asks, do you want to install the recommended extension pack for Java extension from Microsoft for this repository?
For now, just skip it. Okay. If you will get any error, then install it.
Okay.
Okay. So once you will create an application, once you will open this file, you will able to see something like this. It will have one flow and you will have one error handler. Okay. Now what we will do within this flow, here you can see this plus symbol. So we will click on this and it will ask for which component we want to add. Either you can go here, connector, select HTTP, or just search here HTTP. Okay. From here, I will select listener. Now we have listener here. Okay. And in listener, here you can see connector configuration. Click on this plus symbol and you will get listener config. So use all this default value only HTTP, local host port, 30,000 millisecond. Click on add. So it will add one connector configuration here. And in path, we can give /API/test. Okay. So this one is done. Now listener part is done. After that, what I will do, I will add one logger. in this logger, I will put request receipt. Okay. After that, I will create one more component for transform message or set payload. In this component, I will click on FX, and here I will create one JSON payload. Welcome to Anypoint Code Builder. Okay, so I will create one payload with this message, and then at the end, I will put another logger. Okay, so here we will set another logger component. Sure. It's too slow. Let me go to core processor, and from here I will take logger component. Still it's loading, let it load. Okay, let me restart my VS Code. It looks like somewhere it got stuck. Okay, it looks like I lost the previous code. So let me quickly check. Okay, let me do it again. So first I will add one listener. Okay, within this listener, I will create the connector configuration. I will use the default one only. Okay, and path I will give /API/test. Okay, now after this, I will add one logger component. I will put message as a request received. Okay, and then after that, I will put one set payload component. Here I will put message, or let's put in anything is fine. Output application /JSON message. Welcome to Anypoint Code Builder. Okay. Okay, now fine. And then I will go to here. I will put another logger component. Request completed. And inside error handler, I will create one on error propagate. And within that, I will define one logger component. Okay. Here I will put message like error received. Something like that. So in this way, you can define your flow here. You need to click on plus and then it will ask you for which component you want to add. And based on that, you can add that component. Okay. Once all these are done, okay, then I want to run this application. So for that, you need to go to run. And then here run without debugging option is there. Click on that. Then it will start building and it will run the application.
With that on error propagate is applied where it is actually entire flow or
Yeah, this is related to this flow only. Okay, this is
okay.
one flow only.
So for example, I want to apply only for listener.
Then you need to put that listener within the try component.
Okay.
So how did you run the application?
Sorry, say again. How to run this?
Ravi?
Okay. Here you
Yeah.
can see run option and then run without debugging.
Okay, got it.
Is there a way to customize the error handler if I just want to customize?
Error handler,
Yeah.
like what you want to, like how you want to customize.
Like if I just want to add custom error. So Is there possible that possible to just update it, customize it?
I'm not sure what custom error you are talking about, but yeah, if you want to put error type, you can put type here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so this application, successfully started. Okay, this application is deployed successfully. Okay, now I want to test this application, so I will open the Postman. Okay, so here I will pass localhost port and then API test. Okay, and click on this. Okay, so we got this message like welcome to ACB. So here what we did, we created one very simple mule application, which where we will expose this as a REST API, and then we have a listener component for that. After that, we have logger component to log the request message. Okay, and after that, we created one payload which will be sent back to the calling system, and then we set the logger component. And in error handling, we created one on error propagate with a logger component. Okay. After that, you will go to run and run without debugging, and you will able to run this application in your local. And we did testing using Postman. Okay. Now, if you want to deploy this application to Cloud Hub, so for that, what you need to do? So here you can see deploy mule project to Cloud Hub option is there. Click on this. And it will ask you which version, Cloud Hub 1.0 or 2.0. I will select 2.0. And I will select the first one, like the region, and then environment as a sandbox, and then click on deploy. Okay, Java, I will take Java, and mule runtime, I will take the latest one. Okay, and then it's asking for asset version. I will take the 1.0. Okay, a build file was modified. Do you want to sync with Java this? Let it be. And then it's packaging the project, and after that it will deploy.
What about committing to GitHub, Ravi?
Yeah, that also we can do. So this project is in my local system now, correct? So we can sync that local system with our GitHub depot, and we can commit. Apart of that, we can add GitHub extension in VS Code also. Okay, now it's saying deploying project to Cloud Hub, and it's asking me to open runtime manager. So I clicked on this. login. Okay, it's deploying this application. Let me see. The application deployed successfully. So in this way, like you can create one mule application in your system, like in ACB, and then you can run it into local, test it from Postman, and then deploy it on Cloud Hub. So you can see everything is very like user friendly and easy to do. Anyhow, we haven't done anything using vibe coding. If you will use vibe coding, then your task will be much more easier. Okay. At this moment, we are learning the like manual process where we will do everything so that in future, once you will start using the vibe coding, due to any reason, like let's say your license, like you have consumed already token or something, vibe coding is not working due to any reason, then you will be in stage. In that emergency case, you will able to do development by yourself. Okay, so that's why we are learning this ACV from scratch, how to like do all this component. After this, I will do one more complex POC. Okay, before that, you people need to do same in your system. And once you will complete this, please reply with done in this chat. So you need to create one simple API. Okay, and then deploy this in local, test it into local, and then like publish, sorry, deploy this in Cloud Hub also. Okay. So please take 10 minutes of time and complete this. I will take 5 minute break. I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, everyone, please complete this and deploy this on your Cloud Hub.
Ravi, where is that deploy to Cloud Hub option? I do not see in my system.
Okay. So once you will create your application, like mule application, you will able to see this option.
That option is not there for me. Can I share my screen once?
Okay.
Yeah, now it's can, I think, yeah. Okay, maybe I restarted VS Code. No,
Okay,
it's
no
there.
problem. Yeah. So I will be back in 5 minutes. Everyone, please do this assignment like POC and do all everything in your system. Yeah, I'm back. So how many of you have completed? I can see 2% has completed this, Prasad and Kumar. What about others? If anyone facing any problem, let me know. I will help you. If no, then it's okay. Ravina's also completed.
Ravi, one question, Ravi. I deployed to Cloud Hub and then I tested working also.
Yes.
So I see the public URL, and then what about the resource name? Where can I get in the Cloud Hub? Can we, without checking the code, can we get
No,
anywhere?
you cannot get.
Oh, so we should know that from the code only, is it? That RAML.
Yes, that's why like we create RAML and then this exchange things, correct? So from API specification, you will come to know resource name and other detail. But here we created this application without RAML file. So we will not able to get the API specification.
I just want to check whether that all resources available somewhere to verify quickly without going to
Without
the
RAML
RAML.
or with RAML?
With RAML only. So I deployed to the Cloud Hub, right? So Cloud Hub application, whoever have access, they can view that application is running or not. So from there itself, can we see the what is the resources running in that application?
No, like within that application, how many resources are there? You want to check that one?
Right. Yeah.
No, that you cannot check.
Oh.
Without RAML, if you are doing this, then you cannot check the available resources within that application.
With RAML only I am talking. With RAML,
With RAML, that you need
where
to
can
go
we
in
say in
Exchange.
the
Na?
Cloud Hub?
In Exchange, you need to go to your, okay. So for that, if you will go to your Exchange. So let's say I want to see within this RAML or application, how many resources are there.
In Exchange only, is it?
Yes. So here you can see like we have this resource and this method.
Okay. Resource we can see here, but slash that URI path we cannot see, right? What we can call that listener path, base path we are putting something, right? API path.
All those things we define inside the RAML definition. So you need to open the RAML definition. There we mention everything, base path and everything. I haven't defined it here, so you cannot see, but you can define your base path and everything here.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So now what next we will do?
Yeah, I have a question. I already created the ramen, but after publishing it, I don't see it in the base code. So what should I do? Did I miss anything?
Okay, you cannot see that here, correct?
Just
So
I see the name only.
Go to File, open recent file, and you will able to see your RAML.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Ravi,
Yes.
Ravi, while publishing to Cloud of Right, should I select one or two?
Anything is fine. It's up to you
Yes,
where you want to deploy. Okay, so next what we will do, we will create one mule application with RAML file. Okay, so for that we need to click on implement an API. We will give API name something like.
Ravi still it's not showing the full RAML. I already published it on the exchange.
You haven't saved it, it means. So before publishing, save the file and publish it again, you will able to see.
Okay.
You have one resource within that RAML.
Yes, only one.
Yeah, you have already one resource in that RAML, correct? Which is already published. Is it correct
Yes,
or
those
not?
are yes,
Yeah,
it's
then
published. Yeah.
focus on this class, like focus on like what we
Okay.
are doing. Okay.
Okay.
Definitely you need to do more hands-on to learn the things, okay? But focus on what we are doing at this moment. After that, like once we will complete the class, try to add more resources, try to publish again and again. Okay. Fine. So what we are doing now, we are developing this API with the help of YAML file. So for that, we need to go to implement an API. And here you will give a project name like demo02, something like that. And then you will have version 1. Now, here you can see we have search and API specification from Exchange. So here search for your YAML file. So give some keyword and click enter. Okay. After that, you will able to see all the related like related things from that Exchange. So I created this YAML. I want to use this one. So go complete right hand side, select add asset. Okay. So here you need to give the project name. Then you will select the YAML. Okay. And then mule runtime Java 17. Uncheck this, like I will create a standalone project. Everyone clear with this point? Okay. Now next what I will do, I will create the project. So similar to Anypoint Studio, it will scaffold the application based on the YAML file. It will create the 3 flow, one for main, another one for console, and another one for one resource and method. Since I have only one resource and method, so it will create only 3 flow. Okay. And it will take few seconds to complete that. Okay, so if I go to src main mule, this file. So here in this place, you will able to see all the flow. We have main flow, console flow, and then one flow for our resource and method. Okay, so this 3 flow you can see here. Now we have different view of seeing this component. If you will click on this, it will change the view, and you can see here. Now we are getting this flow error handler like this. Okay, so I will change back to this previous flow. Now we have already listener, we have console, then we have API kit. Oh, this is for console one. So if I go to main one, then we have listener, API kit router, and then API kit error handling. Similar to Visual Anypoint Studio. Then if I will go to console flow, we have listener, console kit router, and then error handling for that. And if I go to this resource flow, then we have this resource and method. We have transform message based on the sample response, and we have error handler. Okay, so if you will select this application with like YAML file, if you will create this application with YAML file, it will scaffold the application and it will create basic structure for you. How we do in Anypoint Studio. Okay, rest of the thing you can do in same way, like you can add the component anywhere, like wherever you want, you can add more component and you can do rest of the development based on your need. Okay, so we have already seen how we can add component and all. Okay, what additional thing we will see here within this flow, within this main flow, we have this listener. Okay, now everything is hard coded. Okay, if I go to this listener configuration, everything is hard coded here. What I want, instead of hard coded value, I want to take this from property file. So first thing, I need to go to resource folder, click on folder, give name as a properties. Okay, within this, I will create local.yaml. Okay, and within that, I will create HTTP host. I will give value as a 0.0.0.0 and then port. Okay, let it be only host and port. You can do other thing also, but I will use only host and port. So what I will do here, instead of host, I will take this from property file. So dollar curly braces http.host. And for port, you can see here, you will not able to edit. You can increase, decrease. So if you want to make it from property file, you need to click on this curly braces. Everyone, please keep your mind here. Otherwise, you will not able to do. So here, you need to select the curly braces, then only you will able to edit this. Otherwise, you can just increase the value 1, 2 like that. So this is very important. So you must need to click on this and then you can configure http.port. Other thing also we can do, but for learning purpose, we are just taking these two, host and port. Okay, click apply. Okay, change applied. Now I will come back here. So what I did, I configure this listener and in this listener, I configure the value from the property file, which is here. Now, how runtime it will come to know we need to read property from the, okay. So at this moment, like we don't have capability to add configuration property using some graphical console. In MuleSoft, we have graphical console to add all the required configuration property, but here we don't have. So what you need to do, you can see those property, you can edit it, okay, but you cannot create everything here. So if you will click on that symbol, this icon, you can see all these property. Okay, we have listener, we have API kit config, you can see and you can edit also. So here you can edit also, but you cannot create from here. So for that, what you need to do, go to editor mode. After listener, I will type configuration. So it's, you can see here, we are getting the suggestion, configuration property. So I will accept it. Okay. And let me see what value it's taking. So it's taking from property local.yaml. But what I want to do, I don't want to hard code this value. Since once we will go on higher environment, it should not be hard coded. So how I can take this from environment variable. So again, same way, dollar curly braces env. Okay. Now we need to set this env in environment variable. Okay, or VM argument. So how we will set this? So first save this, close this, and then once you will click on this ACB icon, here you can see star option, like this setting option. click on that, and then go to Anypoint Code Builder integration option. And once you will scroll down at the bottom, you can see mule.env. And here, like, it will not be there. You people need to add it. So syntax will be minus So it will not be there. You need to click on add item, and then you need to add minus m minus d, and then name of the environment variable equals to value local. Okay, and then click on OK. Once you are done, close this, and you are done with everything. We took all the property from the property file. Okay, and we configured the environment variable also. Okay, now I will go to run and then run with debugger. Okay, application started successfully. So now I will able to test this application. So I will go to Postman, and this time it will be slash API slash, it was customer or employee. Let me check. Employees. Okay. Localhost 80, it's unable to listen. What host and port we used? Oh, 8080. So it should be changed to 8080. Okay, so I'm getting this response. So in this way, you people will able to do your development with the help of YAML file, and you can configure the environment variable. You can create the application level properties. Okay, all these things you will able to do. So everyone need to do same assignment. Okay, same like POC in your system, and then we will be good for today. And I will give you one assignment in our group that you need to complete by tomorrow. Okay, after that you people will be handy with Anypoint Code Builder. Now tomorrow we will start learning the vibe coding. Okay, so this concept, like this basic of the ACP, will help you to work with Anypoint Code Builder and along with vibe coding.
Yeah, Ravi, I have two questions here.
Yes, please go.
So let's say if we add a new resource to the Dremel, how to
Yes.
scaffold it again?
Okay, so if you are adding new like resource, first thing you need to update the YAML version, correct?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So that you need to update in POM file. So here,
Okay.
sorry. So here you can see YAML version, you can update it here. Now coming
Yep.
to scaffold, frankly speaking, I haven't tried it. Okay.
Okay.
But if you will ask me what like best way we can do it, so simply you can go to this flow.
Mhm.
Okay. Go to edit mode. Copy this flow part. This implementation flow. This flow. Just copy it, paste it, and then just change this name based on your
Okay.
new resource.
Gotcha. Okay. And to add a new flow here within this UI, how can we add a new flow here?
Okay. So you can see here
Uh-huh.
this plus symbol.
Right.
Click on this, and then it will ask
Okay.
you flow, subflow, and what.
Gotcha.
Is
Thank
there
you.
no way
That's
to update RAML and just bring it here in the endpoint, an endpoint platform?
If you updated in Exchange, correct? Like you published new RAM.
And like in the design center, if I made make an update and publish it to the exchange, and can I bring it here for the flow core update?
Yeah, so you have POM file, correct? So in POM, you can
Mhm.
update, and other option you can see right click. Let me quickly check, do we have that option or not? So here, Mule. Let me see, Maven is there, new module. Debug Mule upload, export project, publish Mule project to Exchange, deploy, manage global element, manage import asset from Exchange. Yeah, I think this option should be async API connector data view. Okay, I think it's giving the YAML. Okay, I did this, selected this again. Do you want to scope? Okay, so here you are getting scaffold option. Is it clear?
Yes. That's how we update from RAML. That is from endpoint
Yes.
exchange.
So just do
Okay.
right click, go to Mule, and then import asset from Exchange.
Okay.
But if you import like that, the whatever the implementation already done, right, that will not be missed.
I don't think it's a very similar thing like what we have in like in our previous studio also, correct? In studio also we can import. Okay, let's do one thing on that. Like what I will do here, I will add one logger.
Hmm.
Okay. So this change I did, and now what I will do, I will go to Mule, import asset from Exchange, then REST API, demo, enter, demo XP API. Okay, scaffold it. Okay, scaffolding finished successfully, but still we have logger.
Okay. Maybe close and open again and see.
If you want me to close and open again, no, it will not.
Yeah.
It's already saved file. I don't think you will lose it. Okay, but you can do some hands-on and that, like just try to do update something and try to do this. This is related to which file? It's asking me to. component number. Okay, so everyone, please do this, complete this POC and let me know once you are done. And then we will wrap up our today class.
Okay. Ravi, one question that when we do the ACB, right, their YAML description,
Yes.
so it is not showing for me the predefined text body application JSON request type, that things. Is that common for
Suggestion,
everybody?
that suggestion you are talking about,
Yeah, right.
like suggestion what I got, correct?
Right.
Okay, ideally it should come sometime. If your internet or things are not perfect, then it might not come.
I don't know. It didn't game internet problem. I don't think so.
Yeah, ideally it should come. Like if we don't need any additional configuration for that.
Okay. Okay. Check. Thank you.
What time will the training start tomorrow?
Okay, so you people already replied in the group. I asked everyone to see the time, to check the time and confirm me which group you want to join.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so I will stop the recording now.